Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Creatine Monohydrate Original vs Fake, which is better. Follow these steps to evaluate a product you own or plan to buy. I will guide you through simple at-home checks like solubility, taste, and label scrutiny, and explain what lab testing tells us about purity. Stay practical, avoid panic, and learn how to protect your performance and wallet with clear, friendly advice. Start with physical checks that anyone can do at home to tell genuine creatine from counterfeit. Examine the powder for clumps, grit, and uniform color, then test solubility in room temperature water and note sediment and mouthfeel. Smell can reveal unexpected additives, while consistent batch samples expose variability. These steps won't replace lab tests, but they filter obvious fakes and help you decide when to pursue a refund or replacement. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps practical videos coming. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for mixing creatine powder on the go and staying hydrated during workouts, and it pairs nicely with supplement routines. I've left a link and some deals in the description for easy access, so check there now. And now, let's get back to the video. Inspect the label closely to confirm ingredients, creatine concentration, and company transparency. Third-party testing seals and readable lot numbers increase confidence, while ambiguous claims or missing contact details raise red flags. If you still suspect a fake, ask the seller for a certificate of analysis or consider affordable lab analysis for purity and contaminants. These steps protect your health and investment and help you choose reputable brands without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.